Signature family. This is Annie here, and it's that time of year. Yes, Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada is looking for the teams to start sponsoring homes for either their National Rebuilding Day or Make a Difference Day. One is in April and the other one is on October. Last year we picked our own day. There was a lot of chaos, and I'm sorry about that. It was our first year trying it, but we have made it really simple this year. There's a link that you can actually click on, goes directly to Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada's website, where you donate directly to them, get that receipt for your tax purposes, and it goes towards the company, our team, Signature Real Estate Group. So all you have to do is click this link. We're trying to reach a minimum of 10,000. That's for us to volunteer on one of their special days, either Make a Difference Day or National Rebuilding Day. If we can get to 15,000, then we'll be able to pick our own day like we did last year. But we've got to have some team effort. We need some donations to get to that point. So just to get to the 10,000, all we need is 40 agents to pay $250, and we're at 10 grand already. I know you guys can do it. I believe in you. A lot of you were really interested in participating last year, but trying to get payments out and signups and everything got really confusing, and I really apologize for that. But this year I made it super simple for you guys because I was frustrated with it last year as well. So click on this link, super easy. It'll take you less than 10 minutes, if even that. I'm thinking like maybe 2 minutes. So if you have any questions, please reach out. I hope we can make this happen this year. We've got to reach that goal. So in order for us to participate this year, we do need all of you to participate, and I believe in you guys. So I hope to see all of you as part of the team for Signature for Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada. If you have any questions, please reach out to me personally, 702-373-1696. Thank you. Bye.
Hello everyone, Annie here. I just wanted to show you the Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada's website and how to make a donation to sponsor a home on behalf of a company. This page was specifically set up for this purpose for Rebuilding Together Southern Nevada for one of their National Rebuilding Days or Make a Difference Day, or even your own special day. As I mentioned in the previous video, that there is a minimum sponsorship of 10,000 for one of their National Rebuilding Days or Make a Difference Day. One is in April and the other one's in October, or you could pick your own special day and the minimum sponsor amount is 15,000. So in order to do that for a specific company, you just scroll down to right here, enter your custom amount. As I mentioned, if you do 250 at 40 people, you're already at the 10 grand. Go ahead and enter the amount here, hit next, enter the way you would like to pay. Put your first and last name here. The next box, this donation is on behalf of a company, is the most important part of this. You do have to fill in every section, but this is where you're going to put what company you're donating on behalf of. So if you have a team or a company name or a brokerage that you want to donate on behalf in order to build up that 10,000 or 15,000, this is where you're going to put the company name. Most important part. So you'll fill all of this in, first, last name, email, phone, address, and all this information. You hit next. Once all of that's completed, it goes to the payment site. You fill in all your payment information, and then it submits the payment. Once the payment is submitted, you immediately get a receipt. You can use that for tax purposes. Talk to your CPA about that. And if you have any further questions, please reach out to me, 702-373-1696. And I hope to see you on one of the teams this year.